Guys, today we're going to be cleaning and detailing my 1962 Cadillac hearse to see how clean it is and how good this original paint can clean up. Let's get into it.
And of course, morning boy, what is it, about 25? What the fuck?
finished product of our full day of work. I've been working on this for about 12 hours or so. You can see a good amount of reflection. There's still plenty of oxidation in the paint, but I hadn't had a chance to wax it, and I don't have enough storage on my phone to film it, and I do want to film it, just see. But I've just done temporary little redneck fixes like the duct tape on the corner, just because I don't want anything open. As you can see, I've still not done. I've still got to put another tire on the other on the ECTO-1. We do have everything cleaned up. I've got the other side panel installed. The other tire is on and full. It's probably not going to be full next time I use it, but that's fine. We got a good spot cleared out for it. All of the stuff inside has been worked on. I didn't have enough time to work on the door. That's going to be one of the next videos. I didn't have enough chance, but we got the interior looking really, really good. Like, this thing just wiped up really nice. There's little issues over there, but I really honestly don't care. I've used some of the linoleum actually to cover up the dashboard because I don't want it to crack in the sun. I did, however, clean it. You can see how shiny it is. I don't want to take the linoleum off. I did do that just so I would have a protectant on it, just to protect from the sun. I don't want to have to worry about this thing cracking. I think I like that one. I don't remember. And you can see a really awful fix, but this is really not a fix. This is a short-term thing until I can get floor panels for this thing. I don't want to worry about rats nesting in this thing and making it any worse because it's so clean inside. The shag is, some of it's still there. We'll work on getting the rest of it out next time. Well, guys,
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.
My brother used to break in our house and steal the TV.
But now he's dead.